Stop settling for the standard factory look. Give your Mercedes W205 the aggressive AMG-inspired presence it deserves with the Haibak Performance Body Kit. This isn't just a bumper, it's a complete aerodynamic overhaul. From the vertical slat grille and front splitter to the lower center diffuser and dual exhaust covers, every piece is crafted from premium PP plastic for an OEM-quality fit. This upgrade is exclusive to Haibak. Get the full kit with free nationwide delivery. Transform your drive and purchase online today at haibakgroup.com. Haibak. Drive bold.